Menteri rang baulay thu baka Sorkar kadon ka Jingkyntiew ban aila no ya ka jing pynlong ya ka jing ya tho shong kurim dakin yam bapher.
Similarly, we have asked a lot of marriages had to be postponed or could not take place. So from that angle also we have asked the deputy commissioners to discuss with the religious organizations, religious groups, to see how safety could be maintained and yet marriages could take place, maintaining the protocols. So those aspects also will be examined. Inter-district movement of vehicles also is being examined because a lot of people are facing a lot of difficulty in the inter-district. We feel that we can slowly start allowing that and broadening the scope. So therefore, the deputy commissioners again have been asked to discuss and look at that aspect, because commercial private vehicles or movement will lead to a lot of other things happening. So it's not very simple. So therefore, the deputy commissioners have been asked to now see the pros and cons. So by next week, we should be able to take some more major decisions on more relaxation in the COVID situation.